Hey everyone, this is James. He's gonna help me cook what?
Soup.
What kind?
Celery.
There's celery in it.
I
Fish soup. Okay, keep your fingers tucked in, thumb tucked in. Thumb tucked in. Yep. Just small chunks. So you imagine the bite size you want. Do you want them like that, like a stew size, or do you want them smaller, right?
Smaller.
For the soup. Salt and pepper. Put it in. Yep. Onion flakes and turmeric. Yep. Dump it in with the salt and pepper. They're making you cough. James has asthma, so it doesn't take much to make him react. All right, we'll just let that go for 1 minute, then add a bunch of water. And that's our stock base. Okay, put in the water. And you just put, that's okay. Just put in enough, kind of measure maybe what your family would use. James, what happened?
I made a mess.
Are those something you like? Yes, James would just go get a whole carrot and pretty much just eat it like that. He loves carrots. And we like them in our soup, so we're going to cut them up, okay?
Can I have one right now?
No, they're for our soup. Stop, carrot thief! Don't. Hey.
No more.
When you have to stop your kids from eating veggies. Hey, carrot thieves! Hey!
Carrot thief!
Hey! Hey! So keep the lid on, let it simmer. Right now it's on high until it comes to the boil, and then I will turn it down till 2 or 3, just to a low heat.
My mom's stirring the soup. Why does she have to use a cloth? That's good.
Leftover rice, we'll put that in at the very end. This is the fish though. It goes in, we're gonna cube it up, and it just takes like less than 5 minutes to cook in the hot stock. No. So both those go in near the end of cooking time. Once the carrots are soft in the pot. Today we're using leftover rice in our pot of soup, but often we use like rice noodles or alfaghetti noodles. But today it's rice. We like barley, things like that too. This is, I don't know, not an expensive fish. I think it's like sole or something. It's just pre-frozen. We like pretty much every kind of fish. Super yummy.
I don't like moldy fish.
I don't like moldy fish either. It's good fish.
Nobody likes moldy fish. Ah! Why did you just impale a fish?
My knife needs to be sharpened.
Again?
Again. Yep, I just did it. It needs to be done again.
Why?
Okay.
Yum, it's done.
Yum, it's done. All right. We'll add the fish. Okay.